So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide any cell value without deleting the values. Right now, you can see here is a sheet that I have some bank and there is some balance. And I want to show only the total, not the other value. So if I delete anything from here, it will be just deleted and there will be no value. So there is two different way you can do it. One is very easy and another one is a bit tough, but I'm going to show you the both. So first of all, what you can do, you can match your size, match your color of the cell with the background. So if you can see, this is all in black. If I just select all the layers and go to the home, and I just want to change the font color to white, that's it. So if I just do like this, you can see all our balance is hidden and this is only the text here, only the total value is right here. So there is one another method you can do, and that is just select all the value and then go to this formatting, or you can just right click on this and go to format cell, or on Mac you can just press command 1 and format cell. Now you can go to this and go to custom, and from here you just need to write a 3 semicolon here. That's it. This is our custom formation, and then just click OK. So now you can see there is no text showing on these fields and the total is right here. So this is two different ways how you can hide any text without deleting from Excel sheet. So I hope this video helped, and if you like this video, please hit subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.